This is the one institute that I get the most queries about. The research program of this institute is one of the oldest in India, dating back to 1976. NIRF ranked this institute as the second best management institute in our country. I am talking about IIM Bangalore, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you everything about IIM Bangalore PhD program, or shall I say FPM program. Wondering whether it is an FPM or a PhD? Let me address this in the very first section of this video. PhD, not FPM. Many students who approach me for a PhD guidance say that they want to pursue an FPM. Students have started using FPM as a synonym for the PhD program of IIMs. Now, FPM and PhD both are research programs. However, an FPM is offered by autonomous management institutes like XLRI and ISB. Yes, prior to 2017, IIMs were also autonomous institutes and offered an FPM program. However, under the IIMs Act of 2007, all IIMs were declared as the Institute of National Importance, making them eligible to grant degree programs. So now IIM Bangalore offers a PhD program, a degree program, and not FPM. In 2025, IMB is offering a PhD in the following 10 areas. Number 1, decision sciences. Number 2, economics. Number 3, entrepreneurship, followed by finance and accounting, information systems, marketing, organizational behavior, and human resource management, production and operations management, public policy, and 10th is strategy. Who can apply to the PhD programs of IMB? Let's discuss this in our section 2. The qualifications required to pursue a PhD in IIMs B. You can pursue a PhD from IIMs B if you have any one of the following qualifications. Number 1, you can be a 3-year bachelor's program plus a 2 years master's in any stream with at least 55% marks, or you can be a 4 years bachelor's program with a 6.5 CGPA. You can also have the qualification of CA, CS, ICWA, provided you have obtained at least 50% marks in your bachelor's degree. Please note, very important, there is a 5% relaxation for the reserved category students. Number 2, candidates who are in the final year of their qualifying programs are also eligible to apply, and students from any and every stream can apply. In addition to these qualifications, you are also required to qualify an eligibility exam. Which eligibility exam? We will discuss in our section 3, the accepted eligibility exam by IIMs B. Now, IIM B accepts 5 types of eligibility exam score. Number 1, CAT, followed by CSIR or UGC NET, GATE, GMAT, GRE. So you can opt for any of these eligibility exams. If you don't want to appear for any of these exams, then you can also opt for the IIM B entrance exam as well. IIM B is the only IIMs that conducts an entrance test for a full-time PhD admission eligibility. Though there are other IIMs who accept the IIMs B PhD admission test score, there is no other IIM that conducts an entrance test for all the subjects for full-time PhD. Please note, UGC NET score is not accepted by all the areas, and even GATE is not accepted in the area of strategy. So please check carefully the area-wise requirements before opting for any eligibility exam. Also, there is no cutoff prescribed for these exams. Yes, you heard it right, no cutoff. For selection in the PhD, your research aptitude and passion are much more important than a high percentile. How will you express your passion? Through your application, which brings us to our next section. Section 4, application and admission process. The PhD applications for IIM B June 2025 are already open. The last date to apply is 24th January 2025. Before you start filling up the form, please ensure you're ready with your research idea, SOP, and if possible, even your proposal, as this is what will help you express your research passion. Based on your application and all these documents, if you are shortlisted, then you will be called for an area test and a selection interview. Not all the areas take a test. However, entrance interview is compulsory in all the areas. Section 5. Let's talk about the fellowships and perks. All selected full-time PhD students in IIMS will get a monthly fellowship of rupees 42,000 per month. In addition to it, you will get a lot of perks like your complete tuition fee waiver, HRA, startup grants, sponsorship to attend conferences, contingency grant, and so much more. I hope you did find this video informative. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're looking for a PhD mentor who can mentor and help you prepare for your PhD journey, then you can get in touch with me for our one-to-one PhD mentoring session on the number given below. Thank you so much for watching this video.